Hi all, this is Simrata Basroor. Welcome to my YouTube channel Simrata Basroor's Corner. Today's topic is how is labeling a disorder different for a psychologist from that of a common man? इस सवाल का मतलब ये है कि जब साइकोलॉजिस्ट एक डिसऑर्डर के बारे में बताते हैं, उसका नाम लेते हैं, उसके बारे में डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, तो उनका कहना, उस डिसऑर्डर का नाम लेना क्यों अलग हो जाता है, क्यों एक कॉमन मैन का या सामान्य इंसान का लेबल करना एक लेबलिंग बन जाता है और एक प्रोफेशनल का वही बोलना लेबलिंग नहीं बनता। इस बारे में मैं आपको कुछ पॉइंट्स बताने वाली हूँ। Keep watching this entire video and like I always say in all my videos, if you have any questions, do ask them in the comment section. So सबसे पहली बात ये है कि जब एक प्रोफेशनल बोलते हैं कि the client whoever comes to him or her, तो वो बोलते हैं कि आपको डिप्रेशन है या फिर आपको एंजाइटी है और यू आर गोइंग थ्रू अ वेरी टफ पीरियड या फिर आपको PTSD है या फिर आपको स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया है या बाइपोलर है, तो वो हम इसलिए बोलते हैं फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट क्योंकि वी आर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी स्टडी अबाउट इट, वी नो व्हाई वी हैव डन दैट, एंड एट द सेम टाइम हम इंटर्नशिप में, हमारे मास्टर्स में, rather we start from a very basic level about psychology, about the mind, about study of mind in various formats, in various therapies, in various concepts, and we learn about it. Also, let me just tell you one thing, कि just because we do a certain or have a certain degree, that does not mean that our learning has stopped. We have to keep on updating ourselves, we have to keep on upgrading our own mindsets as well as help people to upgrade their own mindsets if they are interested. So ये हमारा काम होता है as a professionals. And जैसे जैसे हम आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे इस वीडियो में, I'll be making you understand that why certain things are important and why certain things have been taken as a stereotype and have been misinterpreted and miscommunicated to general public. Let us move on in the next point. दूसरा पॉइंट है कि the level of confidentiality जो establish की जाती है सेशन में, right from the time the client comes inside the session, sits, talks, अभी यहाँ पे ऑफलाइन है पर ऑनलाइन भी जब आप ऑनलाइन आते हो, you talk, you sit at one place, you talk your heart out, you talk all your problems, your issues. So that is the there is that where the confidentiality is established. So हम जानते हैं the sensitivity of the matter which you have discussed with us. So it is but natural as a professional we telling you that you are having depression or you are having anxiety of this level or of this form. So that is mainly for you to understand that okay fine, I'm going through this, now I have to think of how I can better myself, how I can come out of it, and how I can trust the professional in front of me. So that is the most important point for you as a client to understand this as well. तीसरा पॉइंट है कि हमारे रिपोर्ट्स में जो हम लोग we make for our own references, for our own forte. So you know we do that so that the client, उसमें हमको we have to mention what the client is going through or what kind of disorder or what kind of issue the client is going through. So वो हमको लिखना पड़ता है. So mainly ये reports के लिए होता है, researches के लिए होता है ताकि आगे इस बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त हो सके. Next point is that when a common man labels a person like वो confused रहता है. तो आपने ऐसे बहुत सारे statements सुने होंगे wherein दे से दैट वो कंफ्यूज रहता है, या फिर उसको डर लगता है, या फिर उसकी सांसें फूल जाती है, या फिर वो पैनिक रहता है, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, जो भी हो, वो कभी कभी राइट स्पिरिट में नहीं लिया जाता है। अभी राइट स्पिरिट में मतलब इट कैन टेक अ फॉर्म ऑफ बुलिंग, इट कैन टेक अ फॉर्म ऑफ मॉकिंग, इट कैन टेक अ फॉर्म ऑफ सोशल बॉयकॉट, it can take a form of very bad groupism, simply because the person is different from that particular group. So it can these are just some of the reasons which have been continuously seen in the cases which I have dealt with. So I can here confidently tell you this, that this is actually the problem, and that's why it is often said that जो भी आप बोल रहे हो वो थोड़ा सेंसिटिविटी के साथ, थोड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबली बोले, क्योंकि जस्ट बोलने के लिए ना बोले और जस्ट उसको गॉसिप का टॉपिक ना बनाए, बिकॉज द पर्सन हु इज एक्चुअली गोइंग थ्रू इट इज रियली गोइंग थ्रू अ वेरी टफ फेज, इज गोइंग थ्रू अ वेरी बैड फेज इन हिज लाइफ. सो वी ऑल नीड टू बी रियली सेंसिटिव टू दिस इशू. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, like in my previous videos I have mentioned that जब भी हम बोलते हैं कि अ पर्सन हु इज कम टू अस विथ हिज और हर प्रॉब्लम्स, when we after doing certain psychological tests and after a certain therapy, we come to know that the person has gone through some kind of depression or some level of anxiety. So हम उनको वैसा बोलते हैं कि you're suffering from anxiety, or you're suffering from this depression, or you're suffering from this kind of schizophrenia. So what happens is we are not labeling the person, we are not defining the person. Now when I'm saying this, it means that you are just that whatever issue you're facing is a part of you, it is not you. So यहाँ पे and this sentence is very much important because people often misinterpret this, and then the confusion and stereotype increases. That's why for me as a professional here, I think that it's very much important to tell you all that when you say that I'm suffering from maybe anxiety, or I'm suffering from maybe panic attack, so वो उस पल के लिए होता है, या फिर वो आपका एक छोटा पार्ट होता है. It does not make you a person as a whole that you are a big problem. ऐसा नहीं होता. So this is the most important thing which can be distinguished, because a professional will understand more, because he or she has studied the concepts of mind, has studied and understood, and still understanding, because like I always say in all my videos that mind is such a thing, it's a powerhouse. You just cannot put it into black and white regions. You have to find some other colors as well. So this needs to be understood by many people. So I hope if you understood this video, if you liked this video, do share it in your contacts, so that the labeling part जो हमारे फील्ड में हम पे भी ब्लेम किया जाता है, और लोग उस लेबलिंग के डर से हमारे पास नहीं आते हैं, चाहे वो काउंसलिंग के लिए हो, चाहे वो थेरेपी के लिए हो. सो इट बिकम्स वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द पर्सन हु इज लिसनिंग नाउ टू दिस वीडियो ऑल्सो टू शेयर इट इन द कॉन्टैक्ट्स, बिकॉज मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज आर गोइंग ऑन इंक्रीजिंग, एंड वी नीड टू रियली टेक दिस into, like, this is a very serious thing, this is a very serious topic. So please do share it in your contacts. Thank you so much for watching.